Guys, in this short we are going to discuss the 3 days hands-on workshop on next generation sequencing library preparation, including whole genome sequencing and RNA sequencing analysis, so which will be held during 12th to 14th of July 2022 and organized by our IBAB, Institute of Bioinformatics and Applied Biotechnology. For more information, you can refer to the brochure. Venue will be IBAB Experimental Biology Lab. Registration link will be available in the description box. If you are eligible, please do apply. Target participant should be the candidate who is pursuing BSc and the experimental researcher with the basic knowledge of bioinformatics. Along with that, course fees will be 3,000 to 15,000 per candidates, and 25 seats will be available. For more information, please go to the description box. Link will be available. Please do apply and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.